Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine in Stardew Valley. First, understand that wine is a valuable artisan good produced from any fruit. It sells for 3 times the base value of the fruit used. This process is a fantastic way to maximize your farm's profits. You'll need to gather specific resources and craft essential equipment to begin your winemaking journey. Let's dive into the details. To start making wine, you'll need a steady supply of fruit. You can grow many different types on your farm, from common berries to more exotic ancient fruit. Remember, the higher the quality of the fruit, the more valuable your wine will be. Don't forget to check out pears for seeds, or even forage for wild options if you're just starting out.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide and finding it useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Stardew Valley tips. Quick recommendation. If you're looking to level up your real-world finances, The Simple Path to Wealth is a fantastic book. It truly can change how you think about money. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
The heart of your winery is the keg. To craft one, you'll need 30 pieces of wood, 1 copper bar, 1 iron bar, and 1 oak resin. Oak resin comes from tapping oak trees, so start placing those tappers early. You'll unlock the keg recipe once your farming skill reaches level 8, so keep planting and harvesting to level up quickly. Once you have your fruit and your kegs, the process is simple. Just place any fruit into a keg and it will begin fermenting into wine. This transformation takes precisely 6 1/4 days. For even greater profits, consider aging your wine in a cellar using casks, which can significantly boost its value over time. Patience truly pays off here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.